Hey boo, I'm about to make some rainbow trout, but I'm gonna deep fry that mug. Okay, after we rinse the fish, we're gonna make our little wet mixture with the lefties. So this is the same container that the fish came in. Okay, rinse that mug out, put some of this, sprinkle a little bit of this in this container, put some water, and make it into a paste, like a watery paste. We're gonna get our fish, we're gonna put it in here, dip it in there, and then we're gonna put it in this bag with the lefties powder. Okay. Okay, so we got it sitting in there. We're gonna flip that mug around, and then we're gonna put it in that bag and shake that mug. And then that's how it looks when you bring it out. I have 3 fish, okay? And we're about to put it in the oil. Here's the first one. And here's the second one. Okay, so this fish is done, honey. You gonna pop those mugs on a plate and get your eat on. Mmm. Them crusty parts, those crunchy parts. Bye, y'all. I gotta go.